Parliament, both houses, the National Assembly and the Senate, majority leaders, the speakers, governors, excellencies, the governors. Indeed, as we say, our protocol is observed. We meet today at Stonyadi against a backdrop of a national crisis. I once read a book whose title was A Man for All Seasons. And the Attorney General of the Republic at that time of the UK, Sir Thomas More, famously said that when it comes to matters of the law, he was a forester. And I want to say the stage at which we have reached, that of collectively putting the interests of this country together. I belong to that group, and I think I'm a forester. So it was really unfortunate that as a negotiator, as a peace promoter, I was hit so brutally by the Kenyan police. And the only crime was we decided to exercise our freedoms under Article 37 of our Constitution 2010, for which we fought. To get Constitution 2010, remember, this country was in conflict in 2007, 2008. We don't need to go into conflict again. And the roles of the police and the institutions of governance are established are very well documented. So if people don't cross the line, Kenyans will live peaceably with each other. But now it appears to us the time to remind us is now of the fact that it is wrong to capture state institutions. Capture state institutions. Capture the judiciary. Even even Parliament itself, as you know, has been under capture. This is why we are saying we use this opportunity to reinstate and stamp firmly authority on multi-party democracy. That you don't go poaching members who don't belong to you and pretend that you are acting democratically. So that is a very important matter in the terms of reference that were read by our brother Raila Odinga. And I firmly associate myself with those wonderful remarks. We thought we could then call you at that level so that all this information gets properly cascaded to the lowest levels of our leadership. So nobody will leave Stonyadi saying, what are those Azimio leaders talking about? Now we just want to infect you with the spirit of positive revolution and go out there. And if you have been feeling a little bit disadvantaged that you have not been out there eating tear gas, the next round, if it comes to that, you're most welcome. You're most welcome. Because then you understand. That's why we actually called you. You'll have understood. We will leave Stonyadi today, hopefully, with our team of negotiators. But along the lines that my friend Raila and our sister Mother have elaborated, we are not just being difficult, we're just being realistic. We don't want to be seen to be holding hostage the process where we have come to. And it took a lot of reflection, introspection, commitment by our leader to get to this place, to get to this stage. So we want you then, as our leaders at your respective levels, to please stand and be counted. For those of you who are Christians, and I think our brothers and sisters in Muslim world, we also take this time to wish you happy Easter. I know to the Catholics today is a critical moment, as our sister prayed, that Jesus Christ will arise, and as arises, he should arise. We pray that he arises with all of us in our place, and our Muslim brothers as well. Therefore, Christian soldiers, remember the words of the hymn, stand up for Jesus. Ye soldiers of the cross. And hold on that banner. It must never suffer loss. This Azimio banner should not suffer loss. So what you are saying, and I conclude quickly to allow my brother Eugene to say something, and of course Johnny and Paranya.